continuing with this tense again, once again. All right. So this is what present perfect tense we have seen yesterday, an action in the past and the result is now. When something is done in the past and we have the result now in the present, we call it a present perfect tense. As you have seen yesterday and even, yeah.
What will happen when we put had and third form of verb?
It will become past perfect tense.
Okay.
It will become past perfect tense. It will not remain present perfect tense anymore. It will become past perfect tense if you are putting the had plus verb third form. Okay. So this is what yesterday we have seen present perfect tense in English, that an action is going to happen in past and the result is now in the present. We call it present perfect tense. Now, for example, a building is there which has started constructing in 2010. Correct? It was going on. The work was going on. The work was going on. And now the building is standing there on the pillars and we have the building in front of us. So we can say someone has built the building. Someone has built the building. This building has made by someone. So the building is there, means the result is there in 2020. So we are going to call it present perfect tense. Means the results matter a lot over there. When something has started in 2010 and it is going on, and now here the results are there in 2020. So this is called present perfect tense. Any doubts to anyone? An action in the past and the result is now in the present. We call it present perfect tense. And what is the formula? Noun or pronoun plus have or has plus verb third form. Getting it? Noun or pronoun plus have or has plus verb third form. That's the formula. Would like to ask any questions regarding this tense? Or anyone else has any sort of questions? Whatever you have studied before? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Please ask.
इसमें वो सेंस वगैरह भी यूज करते हैं ना सर?
Yeah, we can use it is what according to our context. This we can use according to our
मतलब एक एग्जांपल दोगे आप उसका कैसे?
Example, I'll show you. If you go, but now since from till now, we can use here. I've been there since. I'm working with this company since. I've been working with this company since. No. Now if you see an action in the past and the result is now. No. Since we are going to use for present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. इसके अंदर यूज नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज सिंस का मतलब ये होता है सिंस फ्रॉम द पास्ट
करता आ रहा हूँ ऐसा ना?
नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड सिंस फ्रॉम द पास्ट टिल नाउ मतलब यानी सिंस मतलब यानी जब से तब से. फॉर एग्जांपल सिंस 2011 2011 से. सिंस 2011 आई एम वर्किंग विद दिस कंपनी. तो सिंस 2011 आई एम टीचिंग मींस फ्रॉम 2011 टू टिल नाउ अभी तक के. दिस इज कॉल्ड सिंस. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या होगा, ये वाले टेंस के अंदर सिंस नहीं बैठेगा, सूट नहीं करेगा उसके अंदर सिंस, मैच नहीं होगा. सॉरी, मैच नहीं होगा क्योंकि उसके अंदर हम लोग when something has done in the past and the result is now means the action is not there anymore. Action is not there anymore. Only the results are there for the action. That's what we call present perfect tense. An action in the past and the result is now. For example, he has written a letter. Same case. When did I write this? All these things. I've written this yesterday, right? So I can say there, I have written on the screen. मतलब मैं लिख चुका हूँ. Writing action was there past in the past yesterday and the results are there in the present now. So an action in the past and the result is now. This is called present perfect tense. For example, I have drunk water. मैं पानी पी चुका हूँ. Action in the past. पीने का पानी जो था मैंने action past में किया था. Result is there now in my stomach. I can say I have drunk water. मैं पानी पी चुका हूँ. Yesterday I was writing all these things here on the screen. Correct? So now an action in the past and the result is now. This is called present perfect tense. Means action of writing was done yesterday and now the results are there on the screen. Means still the results are there on the screen. This is called present perfect tense. Any questions to anyone? Any other questions?
No, sir.
Sir,
Let's go. Yeah.
So The Secret is an amazing book, sir.
Thank you. I
So-
hope everyone has started reading it.
Yes,
and
sir.
everyone is enjoying the book and you are going to learn something from that book. I hope so.
Inshallah.
That's good. How many
So
of you have seen the summary of that book which I've sent you?
I.
I.
How was
Nice. Law of attraction.
correct? Law of attraction, actually. So this is what you're going to learn everything in deep in the book. So you can just read that book every day. See, there are 3 tips of becoming successful in your life. I'll give you 3 tips are there just to become successful in your life. And those are the 3 tips are what? Tip number 1, tip number 1, tip number 1. Listen to me carefully. If you want to become successful in your life, that day I have given you 3 tips to become rich, correct? There are now, we are going to have 3 tips to become successful in your life. Tip number 1 is what? Wake up early. I won't take your much time. I'm going to just show you in short. In detail, I'll tell you someday other. कभी किसी दिन बाद में फुर्सत में बोलूँगा why and what. Tip number 1 is what? Wake up early. The people who are sleeping early in the morning after 5:30, those are the losers. Though you are or I am. आप हो या मैं हूँ. We are losers. If we are sleeping after 5:30 in the morning, we are losers. We are absolutely losers if we are sleeping after 4:30. And if you are not sleeping after 5:30, you are the winners. Remember this. Remember, to hell with that. Whenever you are sleeping at night, are you sleeping at 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock? No, doesn't matter anything. But if you are waking up early in the morning, you'll become successful. And if you're sleeping in the morning, there are many people. That day I called a person and the person told me that अभी मैं सो के उठा हूँ. When? On Sunday 3:30. Sunday को 3:30 बजे. Sunday को 3:30 बजे सो के उठ रहे हैं. कहाँ है दिन? दिन खत्म हो गया. काहे के लिए तू भी उठा? सो जा वापस. Okay, you are talking about law of attraction, Mr. Shakir, right?
Yes, yes. Actually, I am attracting negative things from that day when I have seen that video.
Yeah, see, I'll tell you one more thing. See, whatever you think in your life, you become that only. See, since long time, what I used to think, I'll tell about myself. In my childhood, what used to happen? I'll share my story just in brief, very brief. I'm going to share my story. In my childhood, I was a very shy boy. I was a punk kid, you can say. बहुत ही एकदम डरावना टाइप का बच्चा था. ऐसा लड़का था. मैंने आपको पता है मेरे लाइफ के अंदर मैंने आज तक के मैंने मारा मारी नहीं किया. बचपन में कैसे बच्चे दे धू बेंच पे गिरा गिरा के एक में को मारते थे, मैंने आज तक नहीं किया हूँ. हाँ, मुझे लड़कों ने मारा है, मैंने किसी को नहीं मारा. अब आप इसको कुछ भी समझो, आप मुझे डरपोक समझो या कुछ और समझो, बट मैंने नहीं मारा. वो मेरा एक डिसेंसी था कि मैंने वो किसी को मारा नहीं आज तक मैंने नहीं मारा किसी को. मैं मारता भी नहीं हूँ. फाइटिंग और मुझे एक्शन मूवीज भी पसंद नहीं है. धाड़ धूड़ देव एक बुक के अंदर बिल्डिंग तोड़ के भाग रहा है वो. I don't like it at all. Now, would like to tell you one more thing. See, since my childhood, there was a boy who was with me and he used to copy my exam. Since when I was in class 2 till when I was in class 7, he has copied my exam and he used to get the marks what I used to get the marks. Exactly same. Almost same. एक marks का भी फर्क नहीं होता था उसके अंदर. He was the person who used to get same marks as I used to get. Do you know why? What he used to do? He used to just make me scared. He used to scare me. डरा देता था मुझे. He used to threaten me. धमकी देता था मुझे. And he used to say, मारूंगा तेरे को अगर तूने मुझे पेपर नहीं दिखाया. मैं बोलता नहीं यार प्लीज यार मार मत. पेपर देख क्या करना है कर तू. I was the person who was very studious. बहुत पढ़ाकू था मैं. करता था पढ़ता था. I used to go to school. I used to write paper. मैं एग्जाम देता था and he used to sit with me. देखो मारूंगा अगर नहीं बैठा तो. And that time I used to think, मैं आपको मेरी बात बता रहा हूँ. At that time I used to think that, oh God, please make me a teacher. And one day I'll become his teacher and will fail him. Why? Because he is not diligent. He is not working hard. He is not studying and he is getting free marks. And do you know what happened on Sunday when I was at classes? जब मैं मेरी क्लासेस पे था संडे के दिन, my main class. So I went to pray. And the moment when I went to pray, he got back and he was standing next to me and he was smiling at me. क्या वो आज मार सकता है मुझे?
No.
उसको मरने का वो तो मारेगा. Second thing, I'll tell you one more thing. What I used to think that, oh my great Almighty, please make me the teacher so I can fail him. I can show him what exactly he is. And ultimately I started teaching, and now today where I am. Apart from this one, that boy, he's doing worthy of school. चलो बच्चों बैठो. आज वो बच्चे लोगों को स्कूल भरता है, स्कूल जाकर छोड़ के आता है उनको, रिक्शा चलाता है. As you're going to think, my brother, you're going to become. As you're going to assume, you're going to become. And if you're assuming that you will become this one, so you'll become that one only. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा तो डॉक्टर बन जाएंगे आप, because you're going to work on that. Because अपना subconscious mind जो उसके ऊपर काम करता है, this is what that it has already given in that book. वो बुक के अंदर यही दिया गया है. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि मैं ऐसा करूंगा तो आप वो हो ही जाते हैं. Do you know one more thing? At the beginning of Corona only, I suggested my all the students. I don't know मैंने आपकी ये बैच को बताया था कि नहीं बताया था, मुझे पता नहीं है. I suggested my all the students, please stop watching Worldometer. Worldometer को देखना बंद कर दो. Stop watching that Corona updates. कितने लोग मरे, कितने लोग गए, कितने लोग खपे, कितने लोग पैदा हो गए, कितने लोग रिकवर हो गए, मत देखो. Why? Because if you are going to watch it again and again, if you'll keep your eye over there, अगर आप ध्यान देंगे उसके ऊपर, so what will happen? It will affect you. आपके mentally दिमाग को affect करेगा और फिर बाद में आपकी health को affect करेगा. Did I share with you a story? छोटी सी एक स्टोरी थी, एक प्रिजनर की. बताया था मैंने आप लोग को. स्टोरी नहीं है, ओरिजिनल इंसिडेंट है. There was a prisoner and he was about to hang to death. He was about to hang. उसको फांसी लगने वाली थी. He was about to execute. उसको फांसी लगने वाली थी. So अब वहाँ पे जो कंट्री के बाहर की कंट्री की बात बता रहा हूँ मैं. Okay. So in America, I think they have given him life sentence. Life sentence and death sentence, that this person is going to die. Okay, he should be hanged according to this time and all. So the psychologist and the doctors, they have requested the government and the court as well that we want to test something on this person. See, this person is going to die. We know well, but we want to do some tests with this person and we want to get some results. So what they did, they went to that person and they asked him, so they went to the prisoner and they asked him, see, you are going to die, right? We know well that you are going to die, but we are going to do some experiment and see, rather than dying in 5 minutes with hanging and choking your throat, you will die just in 1 second. What would you like to prefer? See, वहां पे जाके आप लटकेंगे, गर्दन की हड्डी टूटेगी, 15 मिनट तक लटकते रहेंगे, तड़प तड़प के जान जाएगी. So better than that, we'll kill you just in 1 second. What would you like to prefer? He said, yeah, I'm very okay with it. And I would like to die in 1 second. So what they did, they have decided to kill that person. They have decided to kill that person just in a second. So what they did, they said, okay, no problem. We'll go according to that only. They put him on a mask. They put on a mask on his head. And they told him that you will be bitten. No, before masking him, they told him that you will be died only in 1 second because you are going to get a cobra and the cobra will sting you. Okay? The cobra will sting you. Aapko dunk marega wo cobra and you'll die. He said, okay, no problem at all. If I'm going to die just in 1 second, so rather than dying in 5 minutes, I'll be preferring that I'll die in 1 second only. So what they did, they got cobra and they were coming with the cobra. They caught him. They told him to sit here on this chair and they tied him with a rope. Usko un logon ne बांध दिया. And they were coming from that side with a cobra. एक cobra लेकर आ रहे थे उसको दिखाते हुए. And then they masked him. फिर उसको उन लोगों ने क्या किया, मास्क लगा दिया. अब उसको तो पता है कि भाई सामने कोबरा आ रहा है, कोबरा काटने वाला है. They got the cobra and suddenly they just removed the cobra from there, and what they did, they took a needle and they directly pinch up it to the person's hands, the prisoner's hands, and the prisoner died. अरे ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? लोगों को शायद झूठ लगेगा, बट आई एम नॉट हियर टू क्लैरिफाई ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. नाउ वो लोगों ने एक पिन मारा और वो मर गया. वो later on when the body postmortem was there, it came, there was a poison in the body. वो टाचनी के अंदर कुछ नहीं था, वो पिन के अंदर कुछ नहीं था, बट बॉडी में पॉइजन हो गया था, because the person has assumed himself that cobra is biting me, cobra is stinging me. उसने अज्यूम कर दिया था कि कोबरा आ रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली कुत्ता थोड़ी काटेगा, कोबरे को लेके आ रहा है तो कोबरे से मारने वाले, बट उन लोगों ने कोबरे से कटाया नहीं उसको, उन लोगों ने मारा पिन. So as you are going to think, my brother, you are going to become that only. This is what I'd like to tell you. I hope you won't mind my words.
No.
See, as I've been thinking since long time about my students, as their behavior, as their attitude, as a character, as a way of behaving, each and everything. So about myself, I would like to suggest you something.
Mm-hmm.
Your friend circle is there, right? I feel so. Some of your friends are not so superior. Some of your friends are not so great that they are going to give you some great handy things. Means like what? For example, as I've been talking to you, as I've been facing you, I felt there something was fishy with your conversation. Sometimes. Otherwise, you are very talented, alhamdulillah. You are very good with your each and everything. You are an engineer. You're doing everything well. But the moment when you talk and the moment when you think, you go in a very wrong direction sometimes. Wrong direction means what? I just feel it is because of the company. Would like to tell you one more thing, guys. Shall I tell you a very great thing? क्या मैं आज मैं आप लोगों को कुछ एक चीज ऐसी दिखाऊं जिसकी वजह से आप लोगों का दिमाग के तोते उड़ जाएंगे?
Yes sir.
लोग देखना चाहते हैं.
Yes sir.
I sir.
देखना चाहते हैं, बाकी लोग सब भिखारी हैं क्या भाई?
सर आए.
चलो बाकी गरीब लोग को भी दिखा देते हैं. What is this, guys? What is this?
13.
आपके दिमाग में जो जो चीज आती है मुझे सब बोलिए प्लीज. वो
13B
13B 13
13B 13B है.
1 okay 1 okay 3 okay next
M or I.
okay M okay I
L
और
small L
okay small L okay
and
W
okay
W
okay W okay yes continue. देखेंगे कहां तक आप लोगों का दिमाग कहां तक इमेजिन करता है. ये प्लीज मत बोलना कि देखो भाई मेरा दिमाग है छोटा और कमजोर दिमाग कहां तक दौड़ेगा भाई, ऐसे तो बोलना मत प्लीज. यस देखते हैं आप लोगों का दिमाग कहां तक दौड़ता है. What else do you see here?
we नहीं
okay. नहीं जो भी दिल में तमन्ना है सारी तमन्ना आज निकालो, सबका हिसाब किताब होगा आज. Anything else? I won't take much more time. Let's go.
C
Okay. आप बहुत कुछ सोच रहे थे इसके बारे में, राइट? 13B 1 3 M I L W U U V etc. जो भी कुछ था. कुछ लोगों के लिए ऐसा 2B था, कुछ लोगों के लिए फिर ये कुछ और भी था, कुछ लोगों के लिए फिर ये S भी था, ऐसा हो सकता है. कुछ लोगों के लिए मैकडोनल्ड का उल्टा M भी था, वगैरह वगैरह. Now what is this?
ABC
Exactly.
ABC
B.
आप इसके बारे में आप इसको 13 बोलेंगे?
नहीं
नहीं सर.
क्या आप इसको M बोलेंगे? क्या आप इसको V बोलेंगे? क्या आप इसको 1 3 बोलेंगे? नहीं. You are going to say only one thing and that's what?
B.
समझ गया सर. आप ये बोलना चाहते हो ना कि हम रहते किसके साथ है, सोबत हमारी क्या है, उस हिसाब से हमारी पहचान होती है.
ये मेरा भाई है. Exactly. I'm just telling you that As you're going to be with the people, you're going to be judged like that only. If you're going
Yes.
to be with drunkards, you'll be beoda only. If you're going to be with doctors, you'll be a doctor. If you're going to be with gentle people, you'll be gentle. Do you know,
Yes.
I don't have friends. Literally saying, I have only one friend. Even that friend is what he meets me after 2 to 3 months. I don't have friends and all. People used to chant, oh my God, don't you have friends? Because I feel that I don't need any sort of, shit company who's going to destroy me. So generally, I don't be with the people who are not, self-worthy. This is what exactly, before you were saying some things about this, so what is this, आप लोग बहुत कुछ assume कर रहे थे. एक बैच था जिसको मैंने बताया था, वो बैच ने तो पूरी 2 लाइन भर दिया था इसने बोल बोल के, ये भी दिख रहा है, ये भी दिख रहा है, ये भी दिख रहा है. बाद में जब मैंने लिखा तो दे सेड, ओ माय गॉड, ये तो सिर्फ बी है. दिखने में कुछ और दिखता है पर रहता कुछ और है. सो योर कंपनी विल इफेक्ट यू अ लॉट. हाउ योर कंपनी इज, how your company is, how your company is. So always be with quality people rather than being with quantity people. So this is what it will reflect your personality, and it will show the way you are, the way you are questioning someone, the way you are talking to someone. Even one single question can tell the person about you. Remember this. This is what I have learned in my whole life. As you're going to be with people, as you're going to act with people, you will get many much more things to this one. See, as you're going to get rid of all these things, start thinking about the solution. Start thinking about the solution. That's the main thing. I'll tell you one more thing. See, whenever you feel, why are you here in my class? May I ask you this question? Why are you here? How many of you can answer me this one?
To learn English.
To learn English, to speak well.
Speak well, to learn English, to speak fluency, to speak, in an amazing way, to gain confidence, many other things. I'll tell you one more thing. One more motivational line is there. Last night, one of my students was there. You might have seen my status as well. And she has put the video of Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari. And literally she has written that this is what Ansar sir teach us. Actually, that was the same line what Sandeep Maheshwari was telling them. It was staged by me to them, to my students. I told them only one thing. Always remember, excuse के बारे में मैं उन लोगों को lecture दे रहा था. Excuse. Lecture नहीं मतलब I was just guiding them. I was just telling them what exactly excuses. Excuses are the biggest hurdles in your success. Did I tell you this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
बोला था मैंने आप लोगों को. उस दिन मैं फजल भाई का भी एग्जांपल लेकर बोला था मैंने आपको. Yes, excuses are the biggest hurdles in your success. Always remember, if you'll find a winner, हमेशा याद रखना, a winner will be there. If you'll ask him, why are you doing this? He will give you 100 reasons to do that thing. And if you ask a loser, why aren't you doing this? आप ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर रहे भाई? पढ़ क्यों नहीं रहे? एक लूजर की बात बता रहा हूँ. पढ़ क्यों नहीं रहे? खाली एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. पढ़ क्यों नहीं रहे? He will give you 1,000 reasons not to learn. Not to study. 1,000 reasons दे देगा आपको वहां पर वो. इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा, लाइट टच नहीं है, स्पीकर टच नहीं है, माइक टच नहीं है, वीडियो कैसे बनाऊं, कैसे बोलूं, क्या कैच करूं मैं, मेरे को तो समझ रहा नहीं, मेरे को फेस टच करने आता नहीं, कीबोर्ड नहीं चल रहा मेरा, तो माइक नहीं चल रहा, हेलो बोलना पड़ता, 3 बार कौन कनेक्ट करेगा, 2 घंटा कौन बैठेगा. 1000 रीजन देगा लूजर. And if you are going to ask the same thing to the winner, if you're going to ask the winner, why are you doing this? ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? He will give you 10,000 reasons to do that thing, to study, to learn. आपको 10,000 रीजन देगा वो. तो मेरे भाई एक बात याद रखो, अगर आपको कोई चीज करना है, मुझे ये करना है, तो उसके लिए रीजन लगेगा क्या? आपको कुछ भी रीजन मिल जाएगा, कुछ भी रीजन. देखा ना उस दिन अभी हमारे मुबशिर भाई, उनको बोले तुमको ये लड़की का पसंद आई, बोले उसके बाल अच्छे थे. बाल पसंद आए करके घर को लेके आ गए उसको. रीजन है
सही है.
कुछ भी बोले. पूना कॉलेज में थी करके मेरे को अच्छी लगी यार. पूना कॉलेज, आई लव कॉलेज. पूना कॉलेज, नो नॉलेज. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. इवन आई वाज फ्रॉम पूना कॉलेज. सो दिस इज व्हाट, कुछ भी रीजन हो सकता है. क्यों बोले? तो बोले उसकी गाल के नीचे का तिल था ना, वो अच्छा दिख रहा था. तो रीजन चाहिए हम लोगों को. वहां पे आप लोग करने की, खाली आपने सोचा कि मैं ऐसा करूंगा, करना है बस. और आप सोचेंगे मैं बीमार हो रहा हूँ। आपको पता है I'll tell you one more thing would like to tell you। सी मैं आप लोग के साथ में डायरेक्टली शेयर कर देता हूँ, आप लोग को ऐसा यकीन नहीं आएगा मेरे इस पर, ठीक है। गेट टू नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डिड आई डिड। आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे अरे यार ये हमको इतनी सारी चीजें बताता है, खुद क्या करता है, राइट? मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ डायरेक्टली मैं करता क्या हूँ। आई वेंट ऑन संडे, आई वेंट टू माई क्लासेस। मैं मेरे क्लास पे गया था, जो मेरी सबसे पहली ब्रांच थी ना, वो वाली क्लास पे गया था मैं संडे के दिन। संडे के दिन मैं गया था मेरी क्लास के ऊपर। आर यू एबल टू सी माई फोन?
Yes, sir.
What are you seeing here? The walls are, दिख रहा है पानी? Are you seeing the water?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Assistant मुझे बोल रही है सर आज आपने ये काम किया ना, मुझे शर्म आ रही खुद के ऊपर। I'll show you the message as well। मेरी असिस्टेंट मुझे बोल रही थी सर कि आज शर्म आ रही है मुझे। See, this is what my table where I sit and teach। सब बीच में रखा हुआ है। पूरा जो ये रूम है मेरा, ये मेरा सबसे पहला क्लास है, इसमें कभी भूल भी नहीं सकता हूँ। This is what the sofa and all। मैं आपको वो चीजें दिखा रहा हूँ। ये मैं धो रहा था पूरा घर एंड आई क्लीन्ड इट कंप्लीटली। दिख रहा है आपको इसके ऊपर? ये पूरा
Yes, sir.
निरमा के पानी से, वॉशिंग पाउडर से मैंने उसको धोया है घर को मेरे। एंड दिस इज व्हाट द लास्ट वाइल लीविंग फ्रॉम हियर। पूरा ये लास्ट था। ये मेरा पहला क्लास है जहाँ पे मैं बैठ के नीचे बच्चों को, स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाता था। ये मैं बैठता था यहाँ पर। सब मैंने पूरा धोया इसको, एक बार धोया एक बार साफ किया। ये बर्तन पूरे नीचे रखे, दिख रहा है? ये कभी कभी बैठ के मैं यहाँ पर खाना भी खाता था, मेरा लंच बॉक्स। ये मैंने यहाँ पर क्या किया हूँ, इसको धोया हूँ। भाई दिल में अगर कुछ आया ना, आप वो कर सकते हैं। जो दिल में आपके
Yes,
आएगा
sir.
आप वो कर सकते हैं। आ जाए आपकी लाइफ
Yes.
के, कोई आपको रोकने वाला नहीं है। रिमेंबर दिस। तो आपने सोचा कि मैं ऐसे ना करूं, मत करो। जैसे आप सोचेंगे वैसे बनेंगे, तो टेंशन मत लो। आपको अगर जाना है इसके मतलब है, सॉरी, आपको अगर रीड ऑफ करना है ऐसी सोच से, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग गुड दैट यू कैन डू इट। आपके जितने भी अचीवमेंट्स है, आपने लाइफ में एक अचीवमेंट तो किया होगा, उसके बारे में सोचना स्टार्ट करो, आप सक्सेसफुल हो जाएंगे। आपने आपकी लाइफ के बारे में कुछ ना अच्छा किया रहेगा, आपने किसी की मदद ही की रहेगी, वो उसके बारे में सोचो। पॉजिटिव वाइब्स विल कमिंग इन योर ओन सोल, रिमेंबर दिस। चलो आज वैसे मैंने आप लोगों को काफी टाइम ले लिया है, डोंट वरी। सो लेट्स फिनिश दिस टुडे एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू गो। तो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। साइकोलॉजी में एक बार चालू किया तो मैं बढ़ फिर बंद नहीं होता हूँ मैं। आप लोग भी सोचते रहेंगे यार कितना बोलता है। सो दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली, बिकॉज सी लोग, मैंने जो चीज मैंने फेस किया मेरे लाइफ के अंदर, आप लोग मत फेस कीजिए वो। मैंने जहाँ पे मेरा टाइम बर्बाद किया, आप लोग मत कीजिए। डिड यू सी माय टुडेस पोस्ट? कितने लोगों ने आज का मेरा पोस्ट पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir.
यस सर आए।
घर में काम चल रहा है, मेरी मम्मी एडमिट है, मैंने उसके अंदर बैठ के वो पोस्ट लिखा हूँ। बिकॉज सी पैशन है हमारा, कोई काम करना है मुझे, उसके लिए रीजन नहीं चाहिए। आपको पता है मेरा चल ही नहीं रहा है, बट फिर भी मैं कभी कुछ हॉटस्पॉट पे चालू करता हूँ, कभी कुछ पे चालू करता हूँ। इसके लिए कभी कोई चीज को टेंशन मत लो, स्टार्ट कर दो उसको। गेटिंग इट? सो नाउ आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दिस वन अगेन। प्लीज स्टार्ट योर सेंटेंसेस वंस अगेन प्लीज। यस, स्टार्ट सेंटेंस विद once again
स्टार्ट
with
वेयर यू स्टे।
yes।
स्टार्ट वेयर यू स्टे।
start where you stay। हाँ, नाइस, ग्रेट वन। कीप अप कीप अप। ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें मैं आपको कभी फुर्सत में बताऊंगा। विल स्टे। ओके, कैन यू प्लीज मेक सेंटेंस वंस अगेन विद आई? अदनान, स्टार्ट विद आई।
I have worked so much. Sir, negative.
Yes madam, we can say I have a Samsung, I have a model of Samsung, there is a model of Dell। Yeah, we can use that I taught you. See, this is a Toyota, a model of Toyota. So a Samsung, a Toyota, a model of Samsung, a model of Dell, a gadget of Dell, we can say like this। Continue please guys, continue। I have done, have I done, I haven't done।
I have
Yes,
bought the computer.
I bought a computer।
I have given the money।
अरे वो तो मेरे को भी दिख रहा, बाकी स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चन नेगेटिव कहाँ है भाई?
सर तो मैं बोल रहा
I've
था
bought a
ना।
computer, have I bought a computer, I haven't bought a computer। Yes, I've given money, have I given money, I haven't given money। Next।
I have gone to college. Have I gone to college? I haven't gone to college.
Very good. Next.
I have drawn the sketch. Have I drawn the sketch? I haven't drawn the sketch.
Very good. Next.
I have gone.
I have don't join the meeting. Have I joined don't join the meeting? I haven't don't join the meeting.
अगं मैत्रीण have नंतर आपल्याला थर्ड फॉर्म घ्यायचा आहे. I have joined the meeting. Have I joined the meeting? I haven't joined the meeting. Verb plus third form. Have plus verb plus third form. I have done. Have I done? I haven't done. Yes, continue.
I have gone. I have gone the market. Have I gone the market? I haven't gone the market.
Gone to the market.
Gone to the market.
Next.
I have collected the payment. Have I collected the payment? I haven't collected the payment.
Good. Next.
I have watched TV. Have I watched TV? I haven't watched TV.
Very good. Next. Shreya madam, jaldi.
I have
Amir
dealt
bhai.
with the problem. Have I dealt with the problem? I haven't dealt with the problem.
Very good. Next.
I have found a great English teacher. Have I found a great English teacher? I haven't found a great English teacher.
Very good. Next.
I have driven the car. Have I driven the car? I haven't driven the car.
Driven.
Driven.
So
Next.
what will be the major difference between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense?
The major difference between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense is what?
It will be
Just
ing, right?
a minute, please. Just a minute.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry. Yes, continue, please.
So we will be using ing in continuous, right? Like once
Exactly
you
right.
are told for past simple, it will be for simple past tense, we'll use the middle form, the second form of the verb. And
Correct.
for the first form of the verb, we'll be using present and future tense. For
Right.
present and future tense, we'll be using first verb form. And for all perfect tenses, we'll be using third verb form. So
Correct.
which verb form will we be using for continuous tenses?
Always remember, we put ing only in the first form of word. We never put ing in the second or third form of word. Am I right?
Okay,
Have you ever heard this broking? Have you ever
sorry.
heard this brokening? Can we say broking or brokening?
No, sir.
No, we never say like this. Why? Because we say only ing in the first form of verb. Breaking, we don't say broking, we don't say brokening. So even if it is a present perfect continuous tense, we're going to use their ing in the first form of verb only.
So basically, in all continuous tenses, we'll be using the first verb form only. We just need to add ing over there.
Correct, exactly.
Have or had, like according to the tense.
Correct.
Okay, sir. So can you just take a lecture once again on all the tenses, because we've been taking these tenses after a week, so it just gets like confusing. So can you just
Sure.
give a short brief or something like all these sentences?
No problem, no problem at all. I'll
And
be
just
doing it.
give all the rules like together, means it will be simple.
Okay,
Because
okay. How many do you want the same like Shreya is asking?
Hi.
Good. Very good. Good. Okay, others are just enjoying.
I.
Okay. Now
So
see,
because
just finish.
tenses is like very important in English, right? So
Exactly,
we should know
exactly.
it properly. And it's just getting a bit confusing. Like we've been taking tenses like after week, right? Like one tense after week. And also it's just getting a little bit confusing.
Don't worry about it.
Lot of
So
asking.
just one thing, just finish this
Okay,
tense
sir.
now. For now,
Yes,
just
sir.
finish this tense, and after finishing this tense, we'll be going once again with simple present tense, and I'll be giving you overview of all tenses once again. All right. When
Okay,
to
sir.
use, how to use, and what to use exactly. And we'll be giving about all the three tenses first. Then we'll be giving three tenses tomorrow once again, and we'll be doing once again our tenses too. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it
Thank
will
you
be
so
quite
much.
easy for you to grab the tenses and to get them once again in your hands. All
So
right.
we'll just note down all the formulas for all the tenses like on one page. Means it will be easy.
Sure. No problem at all. I'll be writing it over here only. No
Yes,
problem.
sir.
So I'll
Thank
be
you.
writing on another page. Simple formulas are there, with the
Yeah,
formulas
sir.
and the things when we use it. Okay. So we'll go with
Okay,
it.
sir.
No problem at
Thank
all.
you so much.
No, never mind. Okay, guys. So once again, can you please start once again this he, she? He has done, has he done, he hasn't done. She has done, has she done, she hasn't done. Can you give me sentence with he, she?
He has broke the glass. Has he broke the glass? He hasn't broke the glass.
Now, my dear. Third form of verb I want. Third form of verb. Broken. 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 Continue.
I have watched that movie. Have I watched that movie? I haven't watched that movie.
Very good. Next.
I have submitted the exam. Have I submitted the exam? I haven't submitted the exam.
Very good. Now here are the verbs. You have to take the third form of verb. Okay. I'm just scrolling down here. Go through these verbs.
So what is the meaning of boycott?
Boycott karna. Nishedh.
So is
कोई
there
चीज
any easy thing to identify like second form? Like for example, for build, it will be built and then it will be again built, the second form. So is there like any rule or something like we can automatically make those words of second form and third form if we know the first form of the word?
could you repeat it once again, please?
So now, for example, for do, the second form is did and the third form is done, right? So is there any formula to memorize it like quickly? Because there are many words in English like that. We need to learn it, all the words like that.
No. There is no such formula.
Okay, so and like sometimes it's like if there's a word cost, so cost is not having any second form or third form. So it is like little bit tricky like to know which verb will be having second form and third form and which won't be having, because there are like many words in English. So
I'll
how
tell you
many
one
words we can learn, right?
more thing. In our file only, if you go, we have
Yes,
more than
sir, there
40
are
words.
many.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there are many. And if you go according to this one, if I see, that's why I'm just categorize them one by. For example, these are list of regular verbs, right? Regular verbs are the verbs which contain second and third form same. We have to
Yes,
just
sir.
put ed and it will become second and third form. For example, abandon, abandoned, assist, assisted, admire,
Okay,
admired.
sir. So all these words which are there, here we just need to add ed, and in the third form we need to add just t, right?
No. Only in the second and third form we have to add only ed. That's it.
In both it will be ed only.
Yeah, in both it will be ed only. And the verbs which are exceptional verbs, which are called irregular verbs, as you can see here, list of
Yes,
irregular
sir.
verbs. These are the verbs which are absolutely irregular here. Irregular means what? We use them in very rare quantity.
Okay, sir.
So in English, so that's why we are having here some of the irregular verbs. For example, like abide. How many times do you use this word? Abide.
So
Next,
very rarely.
how many times do you use this word? Beget. Next, beseech. How many times do you use it? No. Bleed. Bite. Next one, breed. Next one, if you say cleave. Next one, dream. Next,
Yes, sir.
uh, flee. Next, forbear, forbid, forecast, foretell, heave. So means there are many other words which are used very rarely. These are called irregular verbs. And we have second and third form, which is very different. Yeah, apart from this, would like to tell you, we don't have any other formula to memorize them in.
Yes,
Means
sir.
well, this is what boss asked me some days before, that can we memorize it well, means what, do we have any other formula to just understand it well? So we don't have any sort of formula just to get it in touch with all the verbs together like this.
So, but once we know all these words nicely, then it's easy to communicate, right?
Exactly. See, one more
We
thing would
just
like to
need to memorize it once, like, and if we've memorized it, so it's easy, like, and it will be helpful for our rest of the future also.
Exactly. Now I would like to tell you one more thing. In the morning, there was a student. Listen to me, all of you. In the morning, there was a student and he was taking classes from me. And he said that I am unable to speak English. And he was complaining me since last week. So I got to know it well. Okay. Now today I asked him to make sentences. I asked him to make an article on bottle. I asked him to make an article on speaker. I asked him to make an article on me. And the moment when I found him, he was speaking very good. Later on, I started making an article on city and I asked him to make, and I'll be writing here. The moment when he was going, before he went there, this is, that is, this is, that is, these are, those are. It was very good with him. But he was failing in verbs. And I know well, most of you in my class now, in this batch I'm talking about, most of you haven't finished even the first page of these verbs. Am I right? हाँ तो बोलना ही मत, वरना अभी पूछूंगा मैं.
First one.
Correct? Most of
I
you
have
haven't
finished
finished even the first page, you haven't finished it
Sir, I
completely.
have finished it. First one.
Very good girl. Very good girl. आधे से ज्यादा लोगों की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. इसके अंदर से फर्स्ट पेज भी फिनिश नहीं किया रहेगा. Now where are these words? क्या करूं, कलश लगाला आताश नहीं. क्यों? Because मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था. ये भी बोलने का आगे कि मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था. First, second, third, fourth. Apart from this one, ये कुछ भी नहीं है. ये तो बेसिक चीज है. इसके अलावा भी मेरे पास में है जो कि मैं स्टूडेंट्स को गिफ्ट देता हूँ मेरी तरफ से. From my side, this thing. ये वाले वर्ड्स. जब यही नहीं हुआ है अपना तो बाकी का कब करेंगे? It is from Cambridge. Advanced words are there, which is containing verb, nouns, adjectives, and adverbs together of one word. For example, if you see your ability, it is a noun. Disability, noun. Inability, noun. उसका adjective form क्या है? Able, enable, disable. Verb form क्या है? Enable, disable. Adverbs form क्या है? Ably, unacceptably, acceptably. Accept is the word. Next, adjective, acceptable, unacceptable, accepted. Next, nouns and acceptance. One word is containing in 4 times. See how many sheets are there? Sheets. Oh my
How
God.
we can use ability as a noun?
I have an ability. I have an ability to work this work. मेरे पास में एक ability है. Translation नहीं हो सकता है. I have an ability to do this work. मेरे अंदर एक काबिलियत है ये काम करने की. हिंदी उर्दू में नहीं होता ऐसा translation, but we say like this.
So there is one trick, right? In noun we have to use, I guess, first the, and for adjective we have to use to be and then check that this word is suiting for to be, then we can use that word. And for adverb it is ly.
Exactly,
We
we can use.
make words like that also, right? Because that is a bit easy way to form the verbs and the words in adjective form or noun form.
Right, we can say. Exactly.
Huh.
We can.
So
Because
what's the
I
exact
believe-
formula? Like I've forgotten. For noun we have to use the or what? For adjective it was to be. Verb it was something else like that only.
Yeah, one more thing I would like to tell you that for nouns, especially for nouns, we are going to use their articles. And those articles are what? A, and though. Now you are very more clear than when to use a, when to use and when to use though. We use the when something is particular, unique, special, important, popular, specific. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now,
Yes,
when we're talking about any noun, for example, let's take an example of accident, correct? He met with an accident. You're using an. वो एक accident उसका हो गया, right? He met with an accident, correct? Or he met with the accident. The accident occurred on the main road. So the accident occurred on the main road. There was an accident. So an accident, the accident, you are using here for noun. You use for noun our, what do we say? Articles. And for adjectives, we use be. Now, not only for adjectives be, we use be for nouns as well. For example, I'll show you here. In our file, last time I showed you. If you go according to the rule, be use कहाँ पे करना है? मैंने ये आप लोग को एक बार बताया भी था. Now, when to use be? Most of the people are there, they are confused when to use be, when not to use be. We can use be for position. See here. What is the position of be? We can use be only for nouns and adjectives. Sarah will be. Can we say Sarah will be read?
No.
No.
No. For verbs, the column is absolutely empty. We can't use be for this verb. Yeah, but we can use be for nouns and for adjectives. For example, Sarah will be a doctor, noun. Sarah will be an engineer, a noun. And Sarah will be happy is an adjective. Are you getting Miss Shreya?
Yes, sir.
We may use be only for nouns and adjectives. And always remember, whenever there will be a noun, we must contain a or an before it, or the. Determiners or articles will be there, a and the, behind every noun, except uncountable nouns. Okay? So, how simple it is. So, my dear students, would like to tell you, please work on your tenses. For your tenses, please work on your, what do we say, verbs. If you have good verbs, you can win any battle of tenses. And if you don't have good verbs, then may God help you. Getting it? So please keep on learning your verbs. And if you don't have verbs, may God help your English. अगर आपके verbs ही नहीं है तो आप लोग English किस बात के ऊपर बोलेंगे? कैसे बोलेंगे? हमें एक होना चाहिए. How to say in English? We should
be one.
कैसे ट्रांसलेशन मारा मैंने? How can we be one? Yes.
In the form of a team.
We should unite. Sorry. We should unite. आया क्या इधर?
मेरे को लगा सामने रहेगा वर्ड बोल के.
मेरे को लगा स्टक करके मैंने बोला था. सिंपल सी बात है यार. मैं सामने, मेरी अक्सर एक आदत है, मैं स्टूडेंट्स लोग को क्या करता हूँ, पहले आंसर दे देता हूँ या फिर सामने रखता हूँ, फिर क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ उन लोगों को. अब बेचारे स्टिल फिर भी बोल नहीं पाते वो लोग. ऐसा आप लोग को इंटरव्यू में देखने को सीखने को मिलेगा. रिमेम्बर दिस. इंटरव्यूअर आपके सामने कुछ भी रखेगा और आपको बोलेगा ऐसा करो, हो सकता क्या? तो डर के भागने का नहीं, देखने का पहले आजू बाजू क्या है क्या नहीं. बिकॉज he may ask you any question. For example, how many buttons do you have in your shirt? रुको, 1 2 3 4 5 6. बोला सीधा बाहर जा भी. क्यों? क्योंकि वो कॉमन सेंस के लिए पूछ रहा था आपको क्वेश्चन. जरूरी थोड़ी कि आप लोग गिनते बैठेंगे. तो आप बोल सकते हैं वी हैव अराउंड 6 to 8 buttons in a shirt. नॉर्मली जनरली सी बात है भाई, है क्या नहीं? अब गिनने की क्या जरूरत है उसके अंदर? He can ask you what's the color of the wall behind you. तो जाने के बाद में ऐसा बैल के ऐसे जाना नहीं, थोड़ा देख लेने का बाबा क्या कलर है क्या नहीं. तो आप लोग बोलेंगे रुको जरा, पीला है. वो बोला सीधा घर को जा. क्यों? क्योंकि वो आपको क्या बोलेगा, आपका माइंडसेट, मतलब सॉरी आपका जजमेंट चेक करेगा वो कि आपका जजमेंट कितना भारी है. रिमेंबर दिस. लोग बाहर आपको किसी भी तरीके से जज कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए बी प्रिपेयर्ड. ओके? आजकल के जो लोग हैं ना, देखो, सी आई विल टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. आई हैव बीन विद फॉरेनर्स मोर देन 4 years. फॉरेनर लोग के साथ में खाना खाता था, बैठता था, रहता था, पढ़ता था फॉर मोर देन 4 years. 4 साल से ज्यादा. वहां पे इतना मुझे मतलब उन लोग के साथ में रह रहे कि उन लोग की बातों से एक बात सीखने के लिए मिली. अपने यहाँ पर भी ये सब चीजें, यहाँ सिर्फ इतना है कि अपने यहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग हैं. अपने यहाँ पे भी है ऐसी बात नहीं कि नहीं है. अपना इंडिया उनसे बहुत भारी है. Even we have some people like this. But if you go around us, as I'm living in the society, as I'm living in the culture, as I'm living in the area, that area is not so posh. So the people are not so posh too. So their mentality is really very different. So this is what I would like to tell you, that if you are going to work on this one, you'll become something superior. So first of all, work on your company. I do examine the person only once. I never give a second chance. मैं कभी भी second chance नहीं देता हूँ बंदे को. एक ही बार आजमाता हूँ और एक के बाद ही समझ में आ जाता है वो बंदा कैसा है. So कभी भी एक बात याद रखो, because people are going to do the same thing for you. एक ही बार आपको बोलकर देखेंगे, एक ही बार आपसे पूछकर देखेंगे. Next time they are not going to entertain you at all. कभी भी आपको entertain नहीं करेंगे. And always remember, be independent. Don't be dependent. If you're going to be dependent, you'll destroy yourself. चलो बहुत हो गया lecture. Now can you please make sentences with it has, has it hasn't. For example, it has splashed, has it splashed, it hasn't splashed. It has smelled, has it smelled, it hasn't smelled. It has squandered, had it squandered, it hasn't squandered. It has quarreled. Has it quarreled? It hasn't quarreled. Yes, continue.
It has cried.
Chalo, jaldi.
It has cried. Has it
Has
cried?
it?
It hasn't cried.
Very nice. Next.
It has smashed. Has it smashed? It hasn't smashed.
Very good, bhai. Next.
It has bored. Has it bored? It hasn't bored.
Good. Next.
She has watched the movie. Has she watched the movie? She hasn't watched the movie.
Very good. Next.
It has tried.
Tried.
It has tried. Has it tried? It hasn't tried.
क्या आमिर भाई स्लो हो रहे हैं अभी अपन.
Sir,
Yes. Next.
It has worked hard. Has it worked hard? It hasn't worked hard.
Good. Next. Gauss, Mubashir, Sania madam, where are you people? Shreya madam, कहाँ है आप
अरे
लोग?
सर सॉरी सर मैं माइक बंद पे ही बोला था.
नक्को जल्दी. चलो दोस्त जल्दी.
It has drunk water. Has it drunk water? It hasn't drunk water.
Very good. Next. Next.
It has
It has
waxed.
updated 5 minutes ago. Has it updated 5 minutes ago? It hasn't updated 5 minutes ago.
Good. Next.
It has weighed more than 50 kgs. Has it weighed more than 50 kgs? It hasn't weighed more than 50 kgs.
Nice. Next.
it has treat. Has it treat? It hasn't treat.
Treated. It has treated. Has it treated? It hasn't treated.
Yes, sir. Treated. Okay.
What is the
Next.
meaning of squander?
Squander. What do you mean by squander? Fasana.
Fasana.
Squeeze.
Squeeze nichodna. Yes, continue.
It has united. Has it united? It hasn't united.
Very good. United. Next.
It has solved. Has it solved? It hasn't solved.
Very good. Next. Continue.
Hire some employees. Has it hired?
It hasn't hired. Very good. Next.
She has united everyone. Has she united everyone? She hasn't united everyone.
Good. Next.
It has smashed. Has it smashed? It hasn't smashed.
Very good. Next.
It has eaten food. Has it eaten food? It hasn't eaten food.
Very good. Next.
It has spelled money. Has it spelled money? It hasn't spelled money.
Very good. Next.
It has testified. Has it testified? It hasn't testified.
Good. Next. All right. I want you to make sentences now with you, we, they. You have. You have. You have tickled. Have you tickled? You haven't tickled. You have tried. Have you tried? You haven't tried. They've united. Have they united? They haven't united. We've solved. Have you solved? We haven't solved. Continue, please. Continue.
You have stayed in London. Have you stayed in London? You haven't stayed in London.
Stayed in London. Good. Next.
You have tightened the rope. Have you tightened the rope? You haven't tightened the rope.
Nice. Nice. Next. Next, guys. Next.
You have given the money. Have you given the money? You haven't given the money.
Good. Next.
They've done with all their chores. Have they done with all their chores? They haven't done with all their chores.
Next.
You have traveled Germany. Have you traveled Germany? You haven't traveled Germany.
Very good. Next. Yes. Chalo bhai, jaldi, 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 jaldi.
You have turned the page. Have you turned the page? You haven't turned the page.
Good. Next.
You have wonder. Have you wondered? You haven't wondered.
Very good. Next. क्या हुआ है आज आप लोगों को? बहुत साइलेंट है आज आप लोग.
पब्लिक ने बोला.
Next, Miss Shreya. They have.
You have done the homework. Have you done the homework? You haven't done the homework.
Very good. Next.
They
We
have
have surrendered the burglar. Have we surrendered the burglar? We haven't surrendered the burglar.
Very good. Next.
They have waxed statue. Have they waxed statue? They haven't waxed statue.
Very good. Next.
They have played well. They have played well. Have they played well? They haven't played well.
Very good. Next.
We have walked out the door. Have you walked out? Have we walked out a door? We haven't walked out of the door.
Walked out of the door. Good. Next.
We have paid the fee. Have we paid the fee? We haven't paid the fee.
Very good. Next.
We have served our clients in a decent manner. Have we served our clients in a decent manner? We haven't served our clients in a decent manner.
Very good. Next.
They have presented a good sense of humor. Have they presented a good sense of humor? They haven't presented a good sense of humor.
Very good. Next.
They have realized crimson. Have they realized crimson? They have realized crimson.
They have realized to be crimson. Have they realized to be crimson? They haven't realized to be crimson.
Crimson.
Yes.
They have saved. Have they saved? They haven't saved.
Very good. Anything else would like to speak? Anyone? They.
We have struggled a lot. Have we struggled a lot? We haven't struggled a lot.
Good. Next. Yes. Anyone else?
They have sold the bike. Have they sold the bike? They haven't sold the bike.
Very good. Next.
They have succeeded in their mission. Have they succeeded in their mission? They haven't succeeded in their mission.
Mission. Very good. Next.
He has purchased a new mobile. Has he purchased a new mobile? He hasn't purchased a new mobile.
Very good. Next.
Yes.
We have gone the college. Have we gone the college? We haven't gone the college.
Gone to the college.
Gone to the college.
Sir, stay का third form क्या होगा? Stayed.
Stayed. Stay का third form आएगा stayed.
Sir,
Okay.
We have stayed in hotel.
Pardon?
Boycott meaning, sir.
बॉयकॉट का मीनिंग निषेध होता है. अभी बॉयकॉट को भी मैं कैसे समझाऊं आपको? बॉयकॉट मतलब यानी किसी चीज का मना करना, किसी चीज के लिए पाबंदी लगाना, मना कर देना.
The things.
Pardon?
To ban.
Yeah, exactly, to ban the things. That's what exactly we can say.
किसी की मुखालिफ में खड़े होना सर, किसी की मुखालिफत करना.
मुखालिफत करना.
Yes sir.
Against जाना किसी के, मना कर देना, ban कर देना. Ban is correct. मुखालिफत, ban, correct. Boycotts.
Boycott.
Yes. Anyone else?
No, sir. Over, sir. Over.
All right. Over. Done. Okay. Now, see, we have finished. Pay attention. Did I show you all the tenses the way they are? No, I haven't shown you. I think in this batch. Now, have a look, all of you, please. Sentences we have in English, correct? Whatever the sentences we have in English, that's what simple. Sorry. What the hell is this with the network? Now we have finished with the 7 tenses, right? The mandatory 7 tenses we have finished. We have finished with the, I hope that all of you are practicing at home these things. So first of all, we have done simple present tense, right? Then we have done simple past, correct? Then we have done simple future, right? Please pay attention, all of you here. If I missed anything, please tell me. Please tell me. We have done simple present, simple past, simple future. Then we have done present, continuous tense, right? Next, we have done past continuous. Then we have done
Future continuous.
future continuous, right?
Yes.
Then we have done
Present perfect.
present perfect tense, correct? Now, these are the tenses which we have already finished in our class. ये tenses अपने हो चुके अपने class के अंदर. Did I teach you future decided tense?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
नहीं हुआ.
नहीं हुआ
What?
सर.
What, sir? Future decided tense.
ये बीच बीच में किसी के डाउट्स वगैरह क्लियर करते वक्त हुआ है,
हाँ.
प्रॉपरली नहीं हुआ है ये.
करेक्ट, प्रॉपरली नहीं हुआ है, वही मैं भी बोल रहा हूँ. चलो. Now next one is what we are remaining with. Simple present we have done, simple past we have done, simple future we have done, correct? Now other tenses which we are going to have in our class is what? First of all, past perfect. Then we are going to have future perfect. Next we have present perfect continuous tense. Next we have past perfect continuous. Next we are going to have future perfect continuous. Okay, and we are going to have future decided tense. Now, I would like to tell you these two tenses. These two tenses are very rare tenses. This one and this one is also very rare. ये बहुत ही rare tenses है, ना के बराबर use होते हैं. Listen to me. ना के बराबर use होते हैं. Pay attention. ना के बराबर use होते हैं English के अंदर these tenses. So we are not going. If you want, I can just get it to this one, and this is one of the important tense, and these are the also important tenses which we are going to have in our class. All right. So these are the tenses which we are remaining with. Okay, the tenses which are in black, the tenses which we are remaining with, and these are the tenses which we have already done in our class which are in red. All right. So these 7 tenses we have perfectly finished in our class. Apart from this one, the black one which are remaining, I'm going to do it sooner. Apart from this one, these tenses which whatever we have done. So would you like to go through the overview now or later?
So after
So
finishing all,
later we can do everything once only, like after we complete all the tenses.
Sure, no problem at all. So later, after finishing all the tenses, I'll be going through the tenses overview once again. All right, next
Okay,
one.
sir.
So as we have finished with present perfect tense today, we are going to have next tense, that's what past perfect tense, which we're going to do now. So I hope all of you don't have any sort of problems with it. If you have any questions, you can ask me now only. Okay, so past perfect tense. This is also one of the good tense, and generally we use this tense in English. All right, how to use, when to use, each and everything we're going to see here. Now past perfect tense. Now when do we use past perfect tense? Who can tell me? Past perfect tense, when do you use it? Yes, past perfect tense.
an action is in past and the
When
result
something is done completely in past.
Very good, very good. Anything else?
the result is also in past.
Now past perfect tense is really very simple tense. Point number 1, when something is done in further past, got perfected in the recent past, and now we are talking in the present, this is called past perfect tense. Something is started in the further past, got perfected in the past, and now in the present we are talking about the thing. This is called past perfect tense. For example, something is started in the past, got perfected in the past, and now we are talking about the thing in the present. This is called past perfect tense. I went to the station, but the train had departed. But the train had already departed. Train already जा चुकी थी. Now listen to me. Train came at the platform at 5 o'clock. Then train departed from the platform at 5:30. Correct? And now I went to the station at 6 o'clock. You tell me, is there a train now on the platform?
No.
No.
Train came at 5 o'clock. Stayed there, stayed there, stayed there. Filled the water. And next, after 5:30, that at 5:30, the train has already departed from the station. And बंदा कब गया वहां पर?
At 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. जब
Train
वहां पे
has
काम,
departed or train had departed?
train had departed.
Has सुनाई दिया अभी just.
Sorry. So the train had already departed there. So बंदा कब गया? जब काम स्टार्ट होके खत्म हो भी गया सब पूरा, उसके बाद में गया वो. उसके बाद में गया वो. This is called past perfect tense. Something is started in the past, got perfected in the past, finished in the past only. Past में पूरा खत्म हो गया वो. बचा नहीं है कुछ भी उसका. Past में ही पूरा खत्म हो गया वो. कुछ है ही नहीं, रिजल्ट ही नहीं है उसका. रिजल्ट है क्या उधर? No, there is no result. रिजल्ट ही नहीं है ना प्रेजेंट में, ना यहाँ पे भी रिजल्ट नहीं है, कुछ भी रिजल्ट नहीं है. होके जमाना हो गया उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. समथिंग इज स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट, गॉट परफेक्टेड इन द पास्ट, एंड नाउ इन द प्रेजेंट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द थिंग दैट्स कॉल्ड पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. ऑलराइट, something is started in the past, got perfected in the past, and we are talking in the present now. Suppose let's have one more example. Party, well, there was a party, chicken biryani party at Mubashir's place, correct? Adnan
सही.
came 8 o'clock. अदनान भाई कब आए उधर? 8 बजे आए.
8 बजे.
अदनान भाई ने एंजॉय किए, बियर वगैरह लिए, सब कुछ रम वगैरह उड़ाए, और वहां से पार्टी में से निकल गए. उनको फोन आया था एटीएम का पिन मांगने के लिए, उसका चले गए. अदनान भाई अभी पार्टी में है कि 9 बजे चले गए घर पे अपने? वो अब्बा का फोन आया तो तू आ रहा कि मैं आऊं?
चले गए.
अदनान भाई वहां से चले गए. अदनान भाई के कदमों के निशान है वहां पर?
No, sir.
जुदाई के निशान उनके?
नहीं.
No.
एक आधी रोटी बैठी उनके लिए पीछे गया मेरा अदनान.
No. Adnan had gone.
अदनान भाई का कुछ भी बाकी नहीं है. अब यहाँ पे एंट्री हो गई हमारे शाकिर भाई की, और शाकिर भाई की एंट्री हो गई 10 बजे. अरे क्या बताऊं यार, काम वाल बहुत लगाए हुए कंपनी वालों ने. अभी जब छूटा तो आया मैं, पर तुम्हारी चिकन बिरयानी खाए बगैर जाऊंगा नहीं. आया कि नहीं? सो अब शाकिर भाई यहाँ पे 10 बजे आए. अदनान भाई उनके सामने है क्या?
नहीं.
नामो निशान भी नहीं है. मतलब अदनान भाई वहां पर आकर एंजॉय किए, सबको मिले बिले, चले भी गए. एक्शन का कुछ रिजल्ट कुछ भी नहीं है. उसके बाद में यहाँ पर आए, और यहाँ पर आकर शाकिर भाई बोल रहे हैं अदनान हैड गॉन. अदनान जा चुका था, हो गया था, एक्शन होकर जमाना हो गया था जब मैं पहुंचा. समझा? एक और
Sir,
एग्जांपल
what
चाहिए
is the
भाई?
difference between simple past and simple past perfect tense?
वेरी गुड गर्ल. सिंपल पास्ट के अंदर मैडम देखो एक टेंस होता है खाली, जो कि एक्शन यहाँ पर होती है. यहाँ पे हम लोग जैसे कि ये इसको हम लोग बोलेंगे सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस? हु कैन टेल मी? When do we
Which
use
is
simple past?
already done in past.
But not exactly. I
When
want the
something
real.
is done recently.
Very good. When something is done recently. और मैडम past perfect tense में क्या होता है? Recently होता है क्या कुछ?
No, sir,
Sir,
it's
When
done
something
sometimes
has
and
started
it,
in the further past and got completed in recent past. बोल सकते हैं, and there is no result. There is no result, and something has started in the past, got perfected in the past only, and we are talking in the present. This is called past perfect tense. Past simple past tense के अंदर होता क्या है? When something has done recently, अभी अभी हाल फिलहाल हुआ है. I'll give you one more example. बहुत ही strong example है जो कि मैंने मेरी क्लासेस के अंदर मैं हमेशा से देते आ रहा हूँ. See. Dinosaurs had been on the earth 75 million years ago. Dinosaurs had been on the earth 75 million years ago. अब कुछ समझा? अब कुछ समझा आप लोगों को? मतलब मैं कब की बात कर रहा हूँ? जमाना, कोई जमाना गुजर गया उसका. Something has started in the past, got perfected in the past. Nothing is there in the present. We call it present perfect tense. And simple past tense मतलब मैं कल गया था, परसों गया था, ऐसा हुआ था. Last year I did this. मैंने किया था, परसों के दिन मैंने किया था, तरसों के दिन मैंने किया था, अभी रिसेंटली पास्ट है. करके खत्म हुआ था, हो गया था, काम खत्म हो गया था, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस ऐसा हो चुका था means what? You are talking about the complete action, started, finished. For example, अब मैं आपको एक और example देता हूँ, ध्यान से देखिए यहाँ पर. Now, Congress had ruled India. ऐसा क्यों लिखा मैंने यहाँ पर? Congress had ruled India.
Because they are not ruling right now.
Correct.
Right.
They are not ruling now anymore. Let me tell you one more thing. Congress started ruling India in 2009, right? Work was going on, got perfected, and their government has finished in 2011. Finish हो गया government. 2011 में finish हो गया. Correct? They are not anymore. Example ले रहे हैं, सीरियस जाना नहीं. बोले ऐसे था, तुमने गलत कल को बोले, उस दिन तो था, मैं उससे मिला भी था सोनिया गांधी से, मेरे को ऐसे हो गया. Example है. Finished in 2011. Now we are talking in 2012. Action started in the past, got perfected in the past, and we are talking in the present. This is called past perfect tense. समझा? अब देखो मैंने वहाँ पर आप लोगों को जो एग्जाम्पल पहले दिया था, आप लोगों ने शायद गौर से सुना नहीं. ये वाला जो एग्जाम्पल था मेरा, उसका सेंटेंस क्या दिया था मैंने? आप लोगों ने ध्यान से सुना उसको? अब सुनो, मैं वापस रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो. I went to the station. ऐसे ही बोला था ना मैंने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But the train
had
already
departed.
अब यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे क्यों लिया? ये लिया क्यों मैंने? खुजली थी क्या मेरे को ज्यादा जबरदस्ती में? ये टेंस इसका है ही नहीं, ये सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है. आपको ये दिखाने के लिए, जताने के लिए कि भाई सिंपल पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में फर्क क्या है. I went to the station. कब गया था मैं? अब कब गया था मैं?
Now.
करेक्ट. मतलब मैं अभी की बात कर रहा हूँ. I went to the station. मैं थोड़ी देर पहले स्टेशन गया था, recently. But the train had already departed. ट्रेन उससे भी पहले जा चुकी थी. समझा?
Yes, sir.
इसलिए घुमा कर लेकर आया हूँ मैं आप लोगों को पूरे 4 जगह से. सिंपल सी चीज है. मैंने आपको पहले ये सेंटेंस दिया था, मैं आपको वापस से पॉइंट नहीं करना चाहता था. ये एग्जांपल अब आप लोगों को समझ गया रहेगा यहाँ पर कि कांग्रेस कब आया था, कब रूल किया, कब खत्म हुआ, और अभी अपन फिलहाल में बात कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वेंट टू द स्टेशन. मैं स्टेशन गया था, बट द ट्रेन हैड ऑलरेडी डिपार्टेड. पर ट्रेन ऑलरेडी जा चुकी थी. एक्शन स्टार्टेड एट 5 o'clock, फिनिश्ड एट 5:30. 6 o'clock भाई गए थे.
So can we say that there'll be 2 timings for past perfect tense, like 5 and 5:30, and for simple past tense there'll just be a
Only
one
one.
time?
करेक्ट. ये तो मैं बताना चाह रहा हूँ. सिंपल। मैडम ने कितना झटके में बोल दिया देखो। Past perfect tense is what? Two actions in the past, one preceding the other. This is called past perfect tense. इसको past perfect tense बोलते हैं। Past perfect tense क्या होता है? Present में है, present में कुछ दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
नहीं।
Nothing is there. In the past, ये recent past है और उसके पहले यहाँ पर start हुआ था action. यहाँ पे action start हुआ, यहाँ पे perfect हुआ action और ये recent past के अंदर था और यहाँ पे मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ खड़े होकर। अब जैसे कि मैडम ने हमारी थोड़ी गलती किया है, इसको हम लोग सुधारा है अभी। ये फाइल थोड़ी खराब हो गई है हमारी। 2 weeks ago someone had broken the window. किसी ने विंडो तोड़ के भाग चुका था। वो आदमी नहीं है इधर, आदमी ही नहीं है, आदमी ही नहीं है यहाँ पर। Someone had broken the window. कोई विंडो तोड़ चुका था। अब मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल दूं जाने से पहले।
Yes, sir.
I arrived home at 11 last night. But someone had already लगाने का मकसद मेरा उसके पीछे एक है ताकि आपको मीनिंग क्लियरली हो जाए। Had already broken the house. मैं कल रात 11 बजे घर पर आया, but someone had already broken the house. पर ऑलरेडी मेरा घर किसी ने लूट चुका था।
उसको होम बोल रहे फिर हाउस भी क्यों बोल रहे हैं? मतलब वो बिल्डिंग तोड़ा इसीलिए।
हाँ, बिल्डिंग तोड़ा इसके लिए। मेरे घर वालों को क्या तोड़ सकता है, उसको टूटना है क्या?
हाँ समझा सर।
हाँ, किसी ने ताला पहले तोड़ चुका था, मतलब ही नहीं कोई आया रहेगा। मैं घर से कब गया भाई? 8 बजे गया था मैं अदनान सॉरी चिकन बिरयानी पार्टी में। हो सकता है कि भाई एक आधे बार गौस भाई 9 बजे आए हों, 10 बजे तक के ताला वाला तोड़ा हो और निकल गए हों, पर मैं कितने बजे पहुंचा मौका वारदात पे? 11 बजे। मैं था नहीं ना उधर, तो उसके पहले पहले काम बच गया यहाँ पे। तो यहाँ पे 9 बजे स्टार्ट हुआ चोरी, 10 बजे खत्म हो गई और मैं पहुंचा कब? 11 बजे। I arrived at home at 11 p.m. but someone had already broken the house. पर कोई मेरे से पहले आके काम बजा के चले गया था उधर से। समझा?
Sir,
This is past perfect tense.
मतलब नॉर्मल पास्ट के अंदर हैड वगैरह कुछ नहीं लगेगा और
कुछ नहीं
पास्ट परफेक्ट में हैड कंपलसरी है।
एग्जैक्टली। ठीक है गाइस, इसको इंशाल्लाह हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे कल, एंड कल tomorrow I'll be showing you the full formula with the sentences and all, and tomorrow we are going to have one more tense tomorrow. Okay, very important tense, and that's what future decided tense we are going to see tomorrow. All right,
And
please keep
also it is like for normal past, simple past tense, we are using the second form of the verb. And for for past perfect tense, we are using the third form of the verb and also using a had in it.
exactly right. Had plus third form of verb.
Yes, sir.
Had
Okay,
plus third form.
हेलो,
Yeah.
ये वाटर बॉइल्स एट 100 सेल्सियस, तो बॉइल्स में एस क्यों लगा?
Water की वजह से।
But water is uncountable noun. It is not singular.
Okay, let me ask you one more question. Can we say water are?
नहीं।
Can we say water is?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Water is uncountable noun है, singular नहीं है, तो उसके लिए is क्यों लगा रहे हैं?
But because we can't make it plural.
Simple, same case. So water, because we can't make it plural, same case. Water boil को भी हम लोग plural नहीं बना सकते, तो water boil नहीं हो सकता है. It will become water boils. तो उसको singular type का consider करना पड़ेगा उसको. Now let me ask you one more question. See, generally for water we are considering water is uncountable, correct? And the rule is saying for uncountable. Have a look here. मैं आपको वापस से फाइल दिखा रहा हूँ. There is a rule for uncountable that we do not use R for uncountable. Do we use?
No.
We don't use R for uncountable, correct? Uncountable के लिए R नहीं लगता है. We don't use their S also plural के लिए. Same case वही rule apply यहाँ पर भी होगा. अब मैडम मुझे एक बात बोलिए. It boil or it boils? Which one is correct?
It boils.
So water क्या है फिर? It है कि नहीं?
Yes.
Exactly. So इसके लिए आ रहा है water boils at 100.
Okay, sir.
वाटर को एक्चुअली सिंगुलर कंसीडर नहीं कर रहे हम लोग, अनकाउंटेबल ही है, बट वाटर अनकाउंटेबल के ऊपर रूल अप्लाई होते हैं सिंगुलर के, इतना समझो बस खाली.
So, but
We
we can
use,
also say water is boiling since half an hour like this.
that is continuous tense.
No,
Water
because
is
you
boiling.
said we can't use water is, right? So I just made a sentence.
When did I say we can't use water is?
So
We
right now
can't use,
you are saying, right, like we can't use R for water because it's uncountable now.
yeah. We can't say water are boiling.
Yeah, but we can say like water is boiling since half an hour.
Yeah. See, I said we can use is for uncountable. See here. We can use is for uncountable, not are.
Okay, so I thought you said we can't use is also for
No.
uncountable. Okay, sir.
We have to use. Means whatever we are using for singulars, we are going to apply the same rule for uncountables.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. We'll start once again our tomorrow future. Sorry, past perfect tense. Please be ready for this one. If you have any questions, you can ask me. All right.
Okay, sir. Bye. Cheer you.
Bye, sir.